Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Fun, food and fireworks. This is how we capped off the celebrations of our 55th year of independence on the weekend. It was alive with parties and cultural festivities right across the island from our local and international audiences celebrating Jamaicans at home and abroad. The week-long JCDC Independence Village had a number of historical items and also featured a variety of authentic Jamaican-made products.
Say this is how we roll. We rough, we tough, we bold. We come, we take control, and we take it up to the world. We got style, we got soul. Dancing is in our blood. One love is all we know, and we take it up to the world.
Hello, my name is Anne-Marie Howard Brown and I'm from the Jamaica National Heritage Trust. And as you can see here, we have artifacts depicting the 20th century Jamaica. Jamaica National Heritage Trust its mandate is to preserve all the artifacts and buildings in Jamaica for our children and future generation to see. What we have that is very interesting also is an advertisement put out by the New York Times on the 5th of August 1962 introducing the birth of a new nation. In this magazine we have the list of everybody who made up the government at that time, from Bustamante to Edward Seaga, and the only person who is still alive in that booklet is Mr. Seaga.
Portland Rastafari Craft Production Center. It's been around for centuries. We try to use indigenous material like the coconut shells to make craft with it, art and craft.
The reason why we are here today is because of JCDC, who have been highlighting us on our August African Garden juices, which every year we have a farmers group in Augustown, and it comprising of around 60 odd farmers, and we have at least 20 agro-processors.
On Sunday, despite the rains, the Independence Day Grand Gala hit a high note for those who turned out.
Come down, the river been come down, the river been come down, and me can't get over.
Artist Jimmy Cliff was also honored for his longevity in music. The Jamaica 55 celebrations, despite controversy with the non-staging of the festival song competition, upped its production value at the National Arena, delivering a well-planned celebration. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.